How can you use calculator on the iPad? Let's talk about it and let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss the future uploads and videos like this one. So first of all, if you cannot find the calculator on your iPad, make sure that you are running the latest version of iPad OS. Currently, iPad OS 26.1, but before it was enough to just like have at least iPad OS 18 because in there we got the software update for a calculator. Right before it was simply not available, but you can just look up the app like this. You can see that it shows up in the full screen and nicely, so you can just start typing in your calculations. You can also tap on the top right button to switch between the other calculator modes. So you can make it go to scientific, which will make all of the other buttons appear, which is all of these stuff, which is, much more advanced. So that's why it's called scientific. But also there is the math notes, which is kind of a new thing where you can start writing literally with Apple Pencil or your finger, like equations, and it will be, calculated in real time. So you're going to get the results. That's pretty useful, right? And you also have the conversion, right? So you can convert the currencies or even some other things in here as well, right? You can convert like the angle, you can convert area, data, energy, and you can see plenty of different things in here. So yeah, it's really useful because that all is like built in. So yeah, that's pretty useful. And in the top left corner, we have the history. So, the past 30 days, you can check out all of your random calculations which you have performed. So you can always jump back to those if you want to continue. But that is about it. I'm pretty sure that it's good enough. I don't believe that you need to download some third-party calculator to replace it. But in either case, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, let me know what you think, and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos as well.